What's up, guys? It's currently the 21st of May, and I literally just came from school for my exam where I probably had a zero grade, which is, definitely something not great to see, but it is what it is. Today I'm leading to not trade. If I'm ever gonna trade, it's gonna be low risk unless the setup presents itself. I just want this equal high and fill the hourly gap at the upside to be taken out. If there's none like that, then definitely there's no 1 minute trade. But if there's like a decent trade represented, sure, I'm taking it. You already had an SMT at this low, so longs here could definitely print, but I want to see some sort of manipulation. Preferably, ES takes this hourly intermediate low with a bullish SMT, then NQs is gonna rise up. Because for me, this one is a pattern trade, though it can definitely work. We literally have this equal high here. Um, you have this equal high, this clear B point. I mean, you can take it for 2 micros. I'm actually gonna prepare my micros because we're likely to trade not likely. Gonna definitely just trade micros tonight. Here, and okay, we have this low here. If we just have a retweet. And yeah, Shelly already inversed. Let's see if we can actually hop in here. Limit, just 2 minutes. Maybe 3 minutes. Yeah, 3 minutes is good. It's a winning day. There you go. Just a quick winning day. Just a quick winning day. If the market would allow us to hop on this trade. With the 30 takes internal highs, yeah, I'm gonna hop out of this trade. Looks like definitely like a pattern trade, but we already had an SMT at this low. So it's not necessary. Which I'm just gonna go here for a winning day. Hope we can have some resweep, like before taking the high, like literally right now. Boop, this is a BPR dog. BPR, something along those lines. Risking practically nothing today. Practically nothing. Okay, I'm in. See if we can have a winning day today. Okay, put 3 micros there. What? I got stopped out, guys. What was that? I'm gonna re-enter if you have like a 30-second version from here to the upside. What the heck? Is that a stop rate or what? So I need to risk a little bit more now. If I get 2 losses, I'm just willing to risk 250 today. So my next trade, I'm gonna go 250 minis. If we get this inversion to the downside, I'm definitely taking it. This one is that, as I've said, more like a pattern trade, but there was definitely S&P to trying to hold it off. But yeah, just my bullish bias is just screaming at me to take longs, but I'm just gonna kill out for now. Lost like 0.2% there, so it's not really issue. So let's see. I think shorts are gonna be printed. Okay, let's try to short here. Risking a hundo. Too many. For a winning day, we need to get 250 at least. At least 250, alright. Okay, this one's good. Let's do 50. Okay, we're in. If we ever lose on this trade, I'm done on the day. Gonna do my schoolworks. There's no reason to trade anymore. It means I'll be down. I'll be down like 200, I think, on the day. Really little, just really micro playing. Um, yeah, this one's already a BPR. So let's see if it's gonna hold. If it's not gonna hold, I'll be done with this. Looking like actually what you call this? A seek and destroy day with how it's moving. But who knows, guys, right? See how this candle holds. I'm gonna just be out for a bit. Still there. What's up, guys? I'm back. I'll just put my stops to break even here. Okay, there you go. Oh my gosh, what up? So yeah, guys, I'm not here in the charts. Looks like a seek and destroy. We'll see 10 a.m. how 10 a.m. does. The drawn liquidity is so clear for us to not go anywhere there. Yeah, for me, longs is just the move here, but we still have this lows here. Actually, let's check news. I haven't even checked news. I think I did earlier, but it was just a yellow folder, orange folder. It's anticipated to be a little better. Thankfully, I went break even there because I would be, I think, wicked out. Yeah, I'll definitely get wicked out from that if ever. But I think it's gonna play out. Um, so we're currently down 98. We could still trade, risk 100 to make 250, and it's a winning day right there. Sadly, we're not here. I think this was gonna be a perfect winning day. Well, how much was it risk? I think I was risking, yeah, 3 Michael 0. Oh no, it literally was pumping up. We're okay. We are. By the way, guys, this type of trade I'm doing right now is not something I really recommend y'all to do. This type of trading style is definitely just really try. It's like more like an eval type of trade. It's not that more focused mechanical trades. So for me, like winning days, trying to find winning days are like eval trades. So when I see something that can move, yeah, it's definitely something I could take. We already take this series of highs. So let's see. We might have the shorts towards like rejection from this hourly gap. If this is the high I'm waiting, just that kind of equilibrium, I guess, of the day. From this London high to this low. We're edging Asia lows, I think. Yeah, we were edging Asia lows. I think Asia lows was down here. Did ES take Asia lows? They already did. Oh, that's why there's a reason for us to go higher. So the initial long was actually the right move, but nonetheless, we're gonna get stopped out either way. And yeah, I don't think there's gonna be more entry here. If anything else, I want to get like filled down here, targeting the same high. Yeah, it's still intact, so definitely like two minis would do. Yeah, something like this. If you're gonna get tapped in, that's gonna be incredible, but I don't think we're gonna get tapped in. But who knows, right? Still edging, still edging. So there's possibility for the price to go lower, take us in, and possibly give us a really nice winning day here. Because yeah, if this hits, it's a winning day definitely. But if as soon as this high gets taken out, I'm gonna take out this limit order. Um, yeah, as soon as none of them takes this out, I'm gonna just keep this limit order because there's a possibility that we literally just don't know that's not gonna happen anymore. So I'm out there. Here, there's literally no trade, bro. Like if you trade anything here, you're a pure donut. Okay, definitely a pure donut. Let's see if we can have some rejection off of this, or we're just gonna flip from there. But we definitely have more draws lower, which I was marking out here. Still, maybe go to the equilibrium of this hourly gap. It's pretty huge hourly gap. There's no chance for me to, even if I would try to get an entry here, my entry would be like this, and so it wouldn't be in. So pretty much that, dog. It's really waiting. I think it's gonna be a short setup here. So guys, currently I'm still just waiting. Um, I definitely prefer shorts from here, but the structure for shorts, it's not gonna be good. Even if this like inverses something or what. Actually, on 30 seconds already inverse, but I'm not gonna take something like that because this treatment would literally open in a few seconds. I would rather take a treatment inverse from here. Or, if we can see some continuation from this 30-second, like this 30-minute, 30-second DPR holds. Yeah, some sort of like more discretionary, um, short slower, something like that. Because we already hit this hourly, he has already took it, and we're just semi right now, semi rejecting. Um, I'm gonna mark this, I mean, this treatment out. Mark that 3 minute there. The 3 minute, I think, it's a possibility we're inverse this gap. But if you can get an entry earlier, okay, I think this 30 second will literally just burst lower. Like seriously. Depends how much you're risking here to get like a winning day, which right now to get a winning day I need 250. So it's just really gonna, you know, vary with my risk. I think actually this will pump to the downside, depending on how this 30 second. Yeah, that's gonna dump. Just watch. I've seen this same price action before. I just know it's gonna dump or just 3 minute. TP in like 3 minute equilibrium 3 minute. But I think if I was in there, I wouldn't really get tapped in. But who knows? Boom. Here you go. Tap the 3 minute. We have a minute and a half to decide whether we inverse this gap or we keep going higher. If I was in here, I would be, putting my stops to break even already. And I think I might get stopped out of even if this continues. Yeah. Wow. So are we that bullish to just do things like that? Wow. All right. 15 seconds. Stop loss at least at 29261. Oh, I didn't get the entry, fortunately. You still get an entry now. Two minis. I mean, three micros. Oh, I have to go four micros for it. Oh, yeah. To go four micros for it. Should we do it? Yeah, it's something. My intuition is saying no. It definitely might work, some sort of internal mech model. I wish it wasn't 30 second. 30 second would just be pretty clear for me if that presented it. And I think even if I went limit, I wouldn't get in. Let's try limit here. Who knows, right? Just my stop loss, I think, at the 15 second IFVG here. 29263. I just take this high, then, can go lower. Okay, 10 a.m. just open. I think we're gonna have an open high low close here. I'm gonna put the limit out. I think that's gonna pump. And yeah, it's pretty much that. If I was here, I would be edge though. Like my ticket's like right here. That's insane. That's gonna be insane. SLR low. So yun. Kanina, actually, I was looking if ever bumilo ng price. Pero mag-double check ako later. Kaya na ako maya-maya. Then, tomorrow morning yung recitation. So, I need to review tonight. Then, the whole day review ako for econ. Last day na. Just really hoping na maging good yung econ. Yung termo kanina, it was like, externally, tawa lang ng tawa. Kasi nakakatawa si Coach siya katabi ko. Pero, deep inside, kind of hurts to not answer, but, it is what it is. But, yun, bakit lang ako. I mean, not necessarily hurts, but, you get the thought. So, yun, bakit ako while VMing. So, you said, ano ba yun? Alam mo ba ang syunga kanya gano'n lang ni Casio Barya para bang feeling nasa mga nagbuwak ngiti I have no choice kundi maglakad mula ang galing. That's very, very, very nice. 10 kilometer, wow. Hindi ka na Strava, I see. That's good. Pero, watch your body as well. Maybe too tired. Anong nangyari ba? Who knows, right? Hmm, cycle, I'm routine for myself, fasting, start ng 6 p.m., then eat ng 10 a.m. kasi yun usual eating namin. Let's see, that's kind of like IF, intermittent fasting type of thing. Like 8 hours. I eat ng 10 a.m. No, that's like 12, what, 16? No, yeah, 16 hours of fasting, 6 and 8. Yeah. See if it worked, blah, 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 blah. I hope I had a great day, at least full one. It's a decent day, fulfilled. I mean, me personally, I'm fulfilled, but, academically, not really that much. I'll be fulfilled as soon as, nalaman kong agos, no? Pero, Definitely, if ever, I accept na may own lapses, so it's not really that huge of a thing. But yeah, kailangan ko lang make sure na kompleto requirements ko, yun ang panghata ko if ever, to make sure na makapasa ako. So yeah, it's pretty much that. So yeah, take care and good night if you're gonna be sleeping soon. I think you would. Say I got pretty tired earlier, so I love you so much. Take care and you hit me up alone if ever. Yeah, that's definitely like top of each day. Thankfully, saan nag ako dito somewhere, right? Where's the video? Here, got the wick closed pretty good, then I got like mog the next channel, then here, long ako niyan. Thankfully, nag-trail ako ng stops. Initially, kasi lower dapat talaga yan. This one is a low quality day. I would never put here unless I put my stops here. So I wouldn't. This is like a 1-to-1, so I need to be, came from a loss. I actually need to risk like 250. So if ever here, I'm like risking 4 micros. But I mean, so yeah, I would get stopped out and break even. I'll get mugged. Yeah, this is definitely a payday. There's nothing good in this. I'm definitely waiting for the open of the 15 minute. Then maybe we can get something there because the 5 minute doesn't really.